Morning, students. In your textbook you see this page number 78. In this chapter, sorting, classifying and farming groups, one question remain. You see this picture. Look at the picture. You can see different types of objects. In this picture here, different types of objects here given. Then you count and write the how many these objects. First one, you see this picture, ball. In this picture, how many balls here? You count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many total balls here? 6. Then you write here answer 6. Then second one, see this bird. How many birds here in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and here 10. Then you write here answer 10. Then next one picture, you see here book. How many books in this picture? 1, 2, only 2 books. Then next one picture, you see here cap. How many caps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 caps. Then next one, see this crayons, yellow color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 crayons. Then you write here answer 10. Then next one, fish. How many fish here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you write here answer 8. Next one picture, you see this kite. How many kites in this picture? See where kite? Here kite. 1 kite. Again where kite? You see here. Here 1. Then only 1 kite here. Then next one, leaf. How many leaves here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you write here answer 9. Then next one picture, you see here lollipops. How many lollipops here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here how many lollipops here? In this picture 6. Then you write here answer 6. Then here your all chapters in your textbook is completed. Then see in your textbook page number 49 to 76. Here second semester examination. Here some questions given. You see this. First question. Number the garlands according to the increasing order of their lengths. Number the garlands according to the increasing order of their lengths. You do this number. First one you see here 4, here 5 and here 6. Then according to the order of this lengths means this first one, second and this third. Then second one question you see, write appropriate days in the blanks. Today is Tuesday, yesterday was. Today is Tuesday. Then yesterday, which day was here? Monday. Then you write here answer Monday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Then today, which day? Friday. Then you write here answer Friday. Then tick the vehicle that takes longer time to travel. You tick here these vehicles that takes longer time to travel. Here bullock cart and here scooter, these 2 vehicles. Then which vehicle gives here longer time to travel? Bullock cart. Then you tick here. Then fourth one question you see here, match the shapes. First one is cylinder. This second one round in shape. This third one ice cream cone means cone here, and last one you figure you see this box cuboid type. Then you match here. Then fifth one question you see here, join the taller tree to the shorter animal. You join here one taller tree and one shorter animal. Then first you see here this taller tree this taller tree is this coconut tree, and shorter animal first one dog. Then you match this. Next one, see in your textbook page number 50. Sorry, page number this 78. Draw this up face for the lighter one and draw this down face for the heavier one. Then see here elephant and here rat. Then which animal here lighter one? This lighter one here above side, this rat. Then you draw here face this upside. Then elephant this heavier than this rat. Then you write here face of this downside. Then next one picture, see. Color the clothes of the child who is nearest to the ticket window green and who is farthest from the window red. You give color here pictures of these childs. Then you give color which is nearer for this ticket, nearer this two child, and furthest from this window ticket here 3. Then you first these two, which color? Green color, and next one this red color. Then 8 number, see, put the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 for proper order of the activities. You see these activities for the proper numbers. First one, you buy these vegetables, afterwards you wash these, then afterwards you cut, and afterwards you eat. Means this first serial order, this second, third, and this fourth one. Then 9th one question, see, take the correct alternative. Length of the room can be measured by spans of feet. Length of a notebook can be measured for 4 fingers of feet. 4 fingers. Then observe the picture and answer the questions. How many balloons are there in the picture? How many balloons? You count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 balloons. Then how many girls do not have balloons here? 2 girls are not have. Then how many balloons does the boy on the left side have? On the left side have how many balloons here? Left side you see here 2, 3, 5, and on right side here 4 balloons. Then write the numbers these in serial order. 79, 83, 80, 82, 81. These numbers write in serial order. First one you write here 79, 80, 81, 82, and 83. Means here in this regular math textbook all chapters completed. Okay, bye.